The Voyager Live distribution, specifically the recent Voyager 13.1 Debian version, is a French-originated, actively maintained Linux operating system built upon the stable foundation of Debian 13, Trixie. This release is distinguished by its highly customized, aesthetically polished, and user-friendly GNOME 48 desktop environment, which is augmented with a host of pre-installed applications and custom configurations, all managed via a dedicated utility called Box Voyager GNOME. The distro is designed to be immediately functional out of the box, including essential software like the LibreOffice suite, Firefox, and tools for multimedia and gaming, with a focus on ease of use for both beginners and experienced users by offering an intuitive dock panel layout and long-term support via its stable Debian and Linux 6.12 LTS kernel base. The most significant change in the Voyager 13.1 Debian version, compared to its direct predecessor, Voyager 13, is the underlying operating system base and updated components. It specifically transitioned to being based on the newly released Debian 13 Trixie, which brings with it an updated core system, the latest GNOME 48 desktop environment, and a more recent long-term supported kernel, Linux 6.12 LTS. This shift to a new Debian stable branch provides a refreshed platform with 5 years of security support. And while the highly customized feel remains consistent, the new version ensures modern hardware compatibility and incorporates the latest stability and feature improvements that come with the updated desktop and kernel versions.